Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new lesson of history. The name of lesson is given Civilizing the Native, Educating the Nation. Here, who are going to civilize and to whom they are going to civilize and to which nation they are going to educate. This is the story of colonial rule. At the time when Britishers' rule was there on our country, at that time Britishers were thinking that how to rule on India easily, and for that they want to give education according to their own system, and they think that their education may make easy the ruling on India. That is why the British judge William John, he was junior judge, he was appointed as the junior judge in Calcutta Supreme Court. That Supreme Court was established by the Britishers, and according to their rules and regulation, they punished the Indian people. That William John was linguistic. He knew many languages. When he came to India, he started learning Persian and Sanskrit to know properly about Islam and Hinduism and their sacred text, and he learned Sanskrit with the help of Pandits who were teaching Sanskrit, and also he learned Persian language. And in 1781, in Persian, according to Persian language, madrasa was started in Kolkata for Muslim, and in 1791 the Hindu college was started in Banaras. In this way, many other scholars were there, like Henry Thomas, Colebrook and Nathal Halhed. They were called Orientalists because they know the Asian languages, and they study the sacred book of Puran, Ved, which were in Sanskrit, to know about the Indian people, and they want to know everything which were related with Hindu and Muslims, and they want to teach the Indian people with those texts for which the Indian people were familiar, the poetry and their sacred book. They want to follow that one, but afterwards Mill came from England, and James Mill, he criticized the thinking of Orientalist. According to James Mill, the Indian people should learn according to scientific method. They have to learn about technology, the advanced technology which were started in European country. That is why he criticized the Orientalist and he forced to the education provider to teach according to the system of Britishers or Britain or European countries education system. The next topic which about which we are going to discuss, it is grave errors of East. Means the people who criticize our Indian literature, they told that there are many wrong things in Indian people's literature on which we cannot believe. Every text or sacred text was related with religion, and many things was there on which people cannot believe. And one person from England was Thomas Babington Macaulay. He criticized Indian text, Indian poetry about all Sanskrit and Persian text. He told that a single shelf of good European library was worth the whole native literature. Means a single shelf book which were kept in European country, they were more knowledge giver than the Indian literature or Arabian literature. He criticized about the system of Indian education, Indian text, and later we will study about commercial education.